Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, to all viewers, I would like to say thank you so much for listening to my video about the title, Philippines is Proven Selfie Capital of the World. Actually, when I checked the video that I have created or uploaded, I did not expect that it will reach from other countries. Then many of my friends reacted, and some shocked, surprised. Actually, I wrote a description there. It is now a viral video. Yes, it's true. My next video is about the question, how did I know that Philippines is proven selfie capital of the world? Can you enumerate some countries? Okay, I like that question. Somebody send me a message through Facebook via Messenger. This is my answer. Actually, in Philippines. It started in two key cities in Metro Manila, and these are Makati and Pasig City. Actually, it started just only a simple video. So supposed to be it is a reel. Then it so happened it reached in United States. So that's North America. Imagine that's different continents. Then afterwards, this one, there is a tourist destination here in the Philippines, which is in United Kingdom. So that's in British. So that's another continent. So that's a European continent. Of course, United States and British are different continents. Then this one is in Canada. Canada is, of course, that's under North America territory. So that's part of North American continent. So afterwards, the next place is in Cebu province. They just only make a simple picture. Then the other continents uh, was trending in social media. So that's it. Imagine South America. So Mexico, Brazil, Argentina. Then afterwards, it reached in, if I'm not mistaken, Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica. So that's it. So that's the reason why it reached uh, in imagine a global. It's a global, none. It's not a global issue. It's a actually, when you say selfie capital of the world, so it's part of a selfie culture. That's it. It's part of selfie culture. So that's it. Then afterwards, in South America, uh, this country was trend in Japan, then South Korea, then not only that, India. So if you analyze all these countries, these are well-known countries. So that's the reason why it became selfie capital of the world. So that's the so that's it. How do I prove? By means, this is my answer. Uh, Philippines became selfie capital of the world by means of selfie culture. It attracts people that expose in social media. That's the answer. So that's it. I did not expect that. At first, it's just only 6 viewers. Then when I checked past few hours, seconds, minutes, and days, wow, I was surprised. It reached in other countries. So that's it. Because I mentioned in the description, viral videos. I did not mention exposure in social media because I was thinking to make another video of how did it became selfie capital of the world. Then lately, when if you remember the Filipino Chinese fugitive Alice Guo was captured in Indonesia. So when she was returning to the Philippines, so it became selfie selfie exposure. So imagine she was considered as rock star fugitive. So when Philippine President Bongbong Marcos declared our country as the selfie capital of the world, he's the one who declared it. I- Mismong President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos declared this country that this is known as the selfie capital of the world. Proven and tested talaga. So that's it. Please bear with me to all viewers, global viewers, if I mention a little Filipino dialect because our official dialect is Tagalog. So that's it. Then so it was confirmed. So that's the reason why I make that title. Philippines is proven selfie capital of the world. This video is about how did it became. That's the title that will come out. How did it became Philippines selfie capital of the world? My answer is by means of selfie culture through the exposure of social media. That's it. That's my answer. I hope that this video will catch up on attention. And by the way, you can share this video because that's the real answer. Thank you so much for listening to all viewers. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning.